Alright, so it is Friday. Finally a day off of work for me. I'm on my way to Kaiju Motorsports because I've got these turn signal things here that I don't know how to install. I don't know how to wire. I kind of do. I have an idea of it. There's no instructions. Just to be safe, I'm going to let Brian and the boys take care of it. Today's going to be a very busy day. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, so today is Sunday. Friday, after I got the lights installed, had to run a few errands, got home, got sick. Felt like shit, had a fever. It's 2 days later. I'm significantly better now. And then I guess just gotta get some test shots. Dude, that's so cool.